Uh, Good afternoon, Abhit Kumar Sharma.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Bihar.
Bihar. Acha.
Yeah, Bihar.
Bihar. In which place in Bihar?
Sir, I am from Samastipur, Bihar.
Samastipur. Acha.
Yeah. Yeah.
Samastipur is known in history for what?
Samastipur, sir, that I know that there is a famous temple in Samastipur city. That is the Manipur temple.
Acha.
Yeah. Uh, it is a
I'm not
Durga.
sure because this name is very famous for me. Samastipur. History of Samastipur.
Yes, sir.
Um, as per District Gazetters, Darbhanga, pages 33, 34, Darbhanga, temporary period of nothing very important in that place. Like, not like, say, place where the Sipai mutiny started and all that. When did Samastipur district come into existence?
Sir, sorry, sir, but I didn't know.
Doesn't matter.
Exactly.
Okay. About your Bihar, who is your chief minister?
Sir, currently it is Sri Nitish Kumar.
Who is your deputy chief minister?
It is Renu Kumari.
Renu Kumari.
Yes,
Acha,
yes,
she is
yes, sir.
belonging to
BJP.
huh?
She belonging to the BJP party.
BJP party. Acha, acha,
Yeah.
acha, acha. Very good, very good. Samastipur has got some industries.
Industries, sir. In the past, there were some industries, right now, only one that I know, that is the jute mill. Uh, Currently, it is functional. In the past, there was one sugar mill was there, but right now it is closed from past 10 to 20 years.
Oh, oh. So agriculture is there cultivate.
Yeah. Here, most of the peoples are involved in agriculture,
What is it they cultivate mostly?
and they cultivate mostly vegetables
Hmm.
or some wheat.
Hmm. Wheat is grown in your area.
Yeah, right.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
What is the main you are studied in engineering? Mechanical?
Yeah, my branch is mechanical, sir.
Mechanical, oh, oh, good. What is the CGPA you scored?
Sir, in my college, the university from which I graduated, it provides the percentage only.
74.12.
Yeah, right, sir.
Gurukula Gangri Vishwa
Kanpuri.
Vidyalaya.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Haridwar.
Gurukula. Yeah, Haridwar.
Acha. Haridwar is in Uttarakhand.
Yeah, right, sir.
Acha, you went all the way from Bihar to Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Yes, sir. Right.
What is the reason for your choosing that college?
Sir, actually, I got this college from central counseling.
Oh,
I got it by the JEE main rank
oh,
and on the CSAV portal.
very
So
good.
I went to Haridwar.
Acha, the fees must be lesser, correct?
Yeah. As it is a centrally funded university,
Ah,
so fees was comparatively lesser as compared to other colleges
when
like
did you
private
complete
ones.
your BE?
Sir, in 2018, I completed my BTech.
2000?
18.
उसका बाद में क्या करते हैं?
Sir, after that, I started preparing for GATE and other competitive exams.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then कभी कोई जगह पर काम किया?
No, sir. Right now, I didn't have a work experience.
What
After
is?
my graduation, I started preparing.
Oh, oh. तब तो 7 साल हो गया.
No, sir. In 2018, I passed my graduation. In
18 only.
Yeah, 18.
2018.
Yes, sir. 18.
तब तो ठीक है. 1 minute. This must be a
Okay.
bogus call. Hello. Hello. Yeah. All only unnecessary calls come. Yeah. Oh, only 2018.
Yes, sir. 2018.
Very good. So you are appearing for competitive exams.
Yes, sir. After that, I am appearing for different competitive exams.
Acha, what are the exams you have written so far?
Sir, I written GATE two times, and I also last year I gave BARC, the BARC competitive exam, and I didn't qualify for the interview by just 4 marks. I
Mm.
believe that one of my question that get wrong, if that get correct, then I will be eligible for the interview.
That's right. Why are you writing GATE?
Sir, to secure a job in a PSU mainly.
Oh, GATE scores are directly taken into account for PSU.
Yeah, for they call students on the basis of the GATE score.
Acha, very good.
Yeah,
But this one, Coal India Limited,
they took their separate paper.
acha, they conducted a separate test.
Yeah, right, sir.
Very good. This very nice. You have given me some ideas about this. Now, tell me something about your expertise in mechanical engineering.
Apart from my bookish or technical knowledge, I also have some practical knowledge. As in the college, I developed 2 to 3 projects,
Hmm.
such as during my first college 3rd year,
Hmm.
I formed a team of 20 members, and we participated in a go kart competition.
Hmm.
For that, we fabricated a go kart and participated in it and participated in the event.
Hmm.
Yeah,
And
and
some
sir,
you have attempted some ethical hacking.
yeah, sir. Also, I attended a workshop on ethical hacking.
Can you tell me what is ethical hacking?
Sir, ethical hacking in basic language, we can explain that the expertise that is required or to stop or control hacking.
Mhm.
Yeah,
What is hacking?
hacking. In the simple language, we can say that gaining access to some other person's data or devices.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Um, but you are coming from Bihar,
Mechanical
which is
engineering.
nearer to Jharkhand.
Yeah, right, sir.
Jharkhand is known for which type of frauds?
Sir, for cyber crimes, I believe the Jamtara's place is very famous for cyber crimes, such as the phone for phishing. There,
Jamatara.
yeah, Jamatara.
How such young people they get trained so much to do this? Great.
Sir, actually, I believe that they are involved in it from very little age. So with continuous practice, they are getting trained. I want to share with you some recent incident. 3 to 4 days ago, I got a call from some of these kind of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they are saying that I am some of your relative, and I'm sending you I'm sending you some rupees. Just check it. And but in reality, they are requested for some amount in the Google Pay. Uh,
Oh, acha, you will get a link, and if you click that, money will
yeah,
be
yeah,
debited to your account.
yeah, debited from the account. Yes, sir.
Aha. It is all done through cell phones.
Yeah. Sir, they mainly deal with cell phones.
Oh, see how bad it is. And
Hmm.
unknowingly, if you touch some link, the money will
Yeah.
go.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So that is. So what prompted you to develop interest in hacking?
Sir, I believe with the I mainly, sir, my main focus or main interest is in mechatronic systems. Okay,
Okay.
I believe that purely mechanical system is not sufficient to cater the needs of the present industry.
Hmm.
So I believe the mechatronic system should be developed, and for the secure operations of the mechatronic system, we need ethical hacking. Sir, I can explain that if I am using a mechatronic system in an industry,
Hmm.
if someone hacks it, then it will be a great problem.
Hmm.
So I believe that to implement any system in a actual industry, firstly it should be secured in every way possible.
Can you tell me what is Mechatronics?
Mechatronics.
Yeah.
So it is a combination of two subjects mainly, mechanical plus electronics, or electrical or electronics. Hmm.
Electronics नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Mechanical engineering, electrical engineering,
and electronics, the combination.
Combination, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Uh, yes, sir. As mainly, sir, in simple language, just we can say that.
You are right. Integration of electronics, control
Yeah, yeah.
engineering, mechanical engineering.
Yeah, yeah, right, sir. As
Very
you can see in any hydraulic, in heavy earth moving machineries, mainly we have pistons, but we don't force it mechanically. As we simply we use hydraulic cylinders that are powered by fuel, and the hydraulic energy is transmitted from the pump to the hydraulic fluid. So
Hmm.
they are also mechanical and electrical systems combination. Their combination is used.
Very good, very good. What is a closed loop control system?
In closed loop control system, we are concerned with the feedback. Okay,
Hmm.
whatever output is coming, it is compared with a standard output, and the feedback signal is generated,
Hmm.
and the feedback signal controls the input signal so that we can get the desired output only.
Which type of memory which is fast and temporarily stores the data
So,
which are immediately required for use?
sir, for immediate use, we use cache memory. After that, RAM. Then after hard disk.
Correct. Random. As you said, RAM only.
Yeah, yeah.
RAM. Which is
Okay.
portable and cheaper, microcontroller or PLC?
Uh, sir,
Microcontroller or PLC? The
sorry, sir.
answer given is microcontroller, since the
Okay.
setup is so smaller, can be
Okay.
reprogrammed for the requirement and
Yes, sir. Yes,
easily
sir.
portable and cheaper than PLC circuit having many components.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Tell some
Okay. Thanks for the
advantages.
info, sir.
Tell some advantages and limitations of mechatronics.
Some
Advantages.
yes, sir. The advantages of mechatronics are many, sir. I believe that with a mechatronic system, we can develop some sophisticated machines, such as I want to explain that tracker. I
Hmm.
developed a tracker for my go kart, and that I can control with my cell phone only. That
Oh,
I can track my go kart wherever it is from my cell phone. I just send a command from the cell phone, and in response to it, I will get the longitude as well as the latitude of my go kart position.
hmm.
Yeah. In addition to it, it has also the feature that I can switch on or switch off
Hmm.
the spark, the
Hmm.
spark in the go kart.
Hmm.
So, and some others are also in in my final year project, I developed a dehumidified air cooler.
Hmm.
Okay, so the conventional air cooler that we use and that have the issue that it increases the humidity of the air.
Hmm.
Okay, so I use the chemical dehumidification process to control the humidity of air. In that also I use electronic sensors for the temperature as well as humidity measurement, and Arduino to store my data,
Hmm.
and calculate some function that at which conditions my project is working more efficiently. So
Good.
in that also I use mechatronic systems, such as I use simple sensors, DHT sensors for temperature humidity measurement, and Arduino
Hmm.
to provide certain commands, and some memory to store the data.
Hmm.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Very good, very good, very good. So you are interested in joining in Coal India Limited?
Yes, sir. I will
And
be grateful to join at a Coal India Limited.
why?
In Coal India Limited, I believe CIL is a national asset, and also CIL is dealing with the basic energy requirement. So at CIL, as an employee, I can link it with the rendering national service.
Hmm.
As I know that CIL, at CIL, my role will be to will be to maintain the heavy earth moving machineries such as drag lines, dozers, dumpers, shovels, etc. So I believe that if machines are working, if machines are efficiently working as well as they are safe, then the workers that are working on these machines will feel them more secure so that they can work more efficiently.
Have you had any opportunity to come across or talk to somebody from Coal India Limited working
No,
as a mechanical engineer?
no, sir. Right now, I didn't got any link related to this.
Very good. So, can you tell me who is the chairman of our Coal India Limited?
Sir, currently the chairman and MD is Sri Pramod Agrawal.
Very good. So, what is the setup hierarchy in the Coal India Limited? Is it a small company or a big company?
Sir, it is a big company. I think it has 8 subsidiaries spread in approximately 8 states. So it is a big company. Around 272 employees are there. Yeah.
So Coal India Limited has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsidiaries.
Yeah, right now they
And out of them, Central Coalfields has got Jharkhand Central Railway. Then Southeastern Coalfields have got Chhattisgarh East Railway, Chhattisgarh East West Railway. Then Mahanadi has got Musi Coal, MHN Sakti, Mahanadi Basin, Mahanadi Coal Railway. Subsidiaries have got subsidiaries.
Yeah, right, sir.
What is the share of Government of India in coal CIL?
Currently it is 66%.
66.13.
Okay, sir.
Can be perfected because more or less.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Because it is there in the net.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, कैसे हम लोग को पता होगा?
Yes, sir. Right.
What is the address of Coal India Limited?
Sir, the main building of the Coal India Limited is at Coal Bhavan, plot number AF3, Action Area 1A, Newtown, Rajarhat, Kolkata.
Super. Very good. You remember that also nicely. Can you tell me what are the products and services of Coal India Limited?
Sir, the main business of Coal India Limited is to produce coal and some alternate businesses right now are.
Excuse me, 1 minute. Some call is. Yeah. Tell me what are the services?
Yes, sir. The main business of Coal India Limited is to produce coal and it's selling. Some other businesses are like that. Coal India is also investing in some fertilizers companies, such as they are also a part of Hurl, Hindustan Urvarak. Hurl, it is a fertilizer company, as well as Talcher Fertilizers Limited. And today I read that Coal India Limited signed a MOU with the Neyveli Lignite Corporation to develop 4,000 megawatt solar park.
Oh,
that is costing around 12,000 crore.
That's true. But then when I ask a question like, what are the products and services? You have to come out with the coking coal, semi-coking coal, non-coking coal, washed beneficiated coal, middlings, rejects, CIL coke. You know that. It is there in our website.
Yes, sir. Yes.
इसको थोड़ा एक बार पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Different types of products.
Get to know that. That is also good. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Now,
sir, I know about coking coal, as coking coals are mainly used in steel industry, and non-coking coals are used for power generation in power plants.
Very.
As they have a difference in their ash content. Yeah.
What does coal contain?
Coal, the main composition of coal is carbon. And other components are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur.
Good.
And Indian coal's sulfur content is maximum, so it is a matter of concern.
Oh, सल्फर ज्यादा होने से ठीक नहीं है?
या नहीं सर, ठीक नहीं है।
ओहो, अच्छा, very good.
Yeah, so they are thinking of different things such as coal bed methane or coal gasification.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Did you have an opportunity to go through the info bank of this? No, no, because some
Yes.
manuals, policies, everything is there, but not necessary. Itna
Sir, I
detail.
read the yeah. Please wait, sir.
Which one?
Sir, I read the sustainability report of 2018-19.
Oh, good, good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
That's a good one. Yeah. Achha, now
Uh,
tell me um, what is a corporate song?
Corporate song of CIL.
Yeah.
Sir, sorry, I didn't know it.
Corporate song is there. I don't know why it's not coming. I'm playing, but it's not.
Okay, I will see it.
Just they won't ask you this question. Just
But
casually.
just for, yes, sir.
Achha. What is the importance um, Coal India Limited gives for quality?
Sir, Coal India Limited is mainly concerned with the quality, conservation, as well as safety. The main motto of Coal India is sustainable mining. That is that they care for the environment. The prime concern of CIL is environment.
Good. Now coming to personal. Please tell me what are your strengths?
Strengths, I have a strong determination. Okay, I never lose hope. I'm a hardworking person. I'm a hardworking and goal-oriented person.
Good. Is there any weakness in you?
Sir, I'm a little bit emotional, and and I trust someone easily. So I believe that it is some of my weakness.
Are you living in a joint family or a nuclear family?
It is a joint family.
मतलब your father, brothers, they are all together or कैसे?
Yeah, sir. All together, sir.
Really?
Yeah, really, sir.
Samastipur?
Yeah, in Samastipur, Bihar.
Achha, what are they doing? They are doing a business?
My father is a carpenter, and so they do some small jobs. My elder brother is in a bank.
Which bank?
Sir, he's currently in Canada Bank.
Oh, what do you know about Canada Bank?
Uh, Sir, I don't know much about it, but currently know about the merger of Syndicate Bank with the Canada Bank.
Where is the headquarters of Canada Bank?
Canada Bank. Probably in Bangalore, sir.
Correct. Good, good.
Okay.
Or you can also say it's one of the public sector banks.
Yeah, sir. It is one of the public sector banks.
That at least you can tell about Canada Bank. Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, in SBI.
State Bank of India.
India, right, sir.
Oh, good. How is the service in State Bank of India?
Sir, it is good, sir. Online facilities, the best services provide. SBI provides the best online facilities.
Good. Have you, when did you go to the branch recently?
Recently, I gone on 1st December 2020, this year.
1st November. After how many months?
1st December, sir.
Acha, 1st December. After how many months?
Sir, lastly, I visited 2 years ago. Sir,
there is no need for people
passbook. Actually, I need the recent passbook, so I visited the branch. Rest of the things can be done online, so I didn't visit it for it.
There is no need. Branch. There is no need for people to go.
Yes, sir. I believe educated people doesn't need to go to the branch, as maximum services can be availed online.
Yeah. Have you heard of NPS? What is NPS?
Sir, its full form is New Pension Scheme.
Yeah. What is EPF?
EPF, it is Employee Provident Fund.
What is PPF?
EPF, sorry, sir, I do not know.
Public Provident Fund.
Okay, public.
It can be opened by anybody for 15 years.
Okay, anyone can open it.
Yeah, anybody can open. What is the expansion for RBI?
It is Reserve Bank of India.
Very good. What is the expansion for NABARD?
National Bank for National Bank for Agriculture and Agriculture and Rural Development.
Correct. What is the expansion of SEBI?
Securities and Exchange Board of India.
What is BSE Sensex?
Bombay Stock Exchange.
How many shares are included in that Sensex? 30.
Okay.
30 leading company shares are included in that. In the Nifty, 50 leading company shares are included in that.
Okay, in Sensex 30, in Nifty 50.
Yeah.
Thanks for the info, sir.
Yeah. Which is the largest public sector company in the country?
Or in all the public sectors.
Not public sector. I'm talking about largest public company.
Public company.
I think it is Reliance.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
It's Reliance.
It was in news, sir. It has some one market cap maximum. I heard, but I don't know the correct figure.
Okay. Who is the coal minister?
Sir, it is Sri Prahlad Joshi.
Good. So, have you been following the way people are asked questions in interviews?
Sir, yeah, I'm visiting 2 to 3 Telegram channels, and then after I showed some of your videos regarding interview, so I contacted you.
Yeah. Mechanical engineering students have been interviewed or not?
No, sir, right now not. They are scheduled in the later date.
So far, what are the interviews over?
I don't have
electrical over, I think so.
They are continuing, sir. I believe that tomorrow also some of the electrical students will be interviewed.
Achha. Electrical, electronics, and all. Good, excellent. Now, why should we, supposing somebody finds reasons for not selecting you, what can be the reason for that?
What?
You can simply come out of this embarrassing question by saying, possibly if I have not scored well in the written test.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
That may be one reason why they cannot select me. Otherwise, I deserve to be selected.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
What is your age?
It is 25.
25.
Yes, sir.
Good. Programming. You have designed skills and interests, automobile designing, assembly. Why don't you try for jobs in automobile companies?
Sir, in private firms, last year I tried for it, but I believe that in private sectors, for a fresher, it is very difficult to get in.
Very good. You have written some Arduino Uno based projects. What is that?
Yeah, right. What is that? I used it in the automobile tracker, in the go-kart tracker at Hina.
Very good. Excellent. Good. I think you have talked to me for nearly 29 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
Now,
thanks for
what question should I?
Sir, I will be thankful to you.
Yeah, now what question should I ask you now? Who is your Bihar? How many districts are there in Bihar?
Approx 38, sir. I'm not sure right now, sir.
थोड़ा देख लीजिए.
Okay, sir.
How many districts are there? Who is your governor?
Sir, it is Mr. Fagu Chauhan.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
Sure. Can you name the ports in India?
Ports?
Ports.
Yes, sir. Ports. Sorry, sir, I don't recall it right now.
नंबर ऑफ पोर्ट्स नहीं जानते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स यू आर इन बिहार, आपको तो पोर्ट नहीं है. फेमस पोर्ट्स आर चेन्नई,
Yes, sir.
कोचीन,
Okay, okay.
विशाखापट्टनम,
Yeah, I.
कोलकाता,
Okay,
then Mumbai,
okay.
likewise, something like that. Then Mangaluru.
Bangalore port. Yes, sir.
These are the famous ports. समस्तीपुर में कुछ पैलेस वगैरह है. Was it
Palace.
under rule of some Muslims and all that? Some they have constructed some big buildings. ऐसा कुछ किया है?
No, sir. There are small masjid, 1 to 2.
Oh,
Not more than that.
अच्छा.
Yes,
Very
sir.
very good. Otherwise, no problem. You are answering very well. Best wishes.
Okay. Thank you, sir,
Yeah.
for your precious time.
Best
Sir,
wishes.
I will be thankful that you should take 2 to 3 marks for me. Right now, I was not much prepared. So after 2 to 3
Which
days,
date is your interview?
sir, my interview is on 8th.
8th
Sorry, sir,
only.
it is on 7th of January.
7th of January.
Yeah, right.
Oh. So you have the advantage of getting some. For example,
time.
today morning a boy attended his interview is on 1st. Sorry, 4th.
Okay, okay.
4th January. इसका नाम है दिलीप विमल.
Okay, sir. His branch, sir, mechanical or some other branch?
मैकेनिकल. सुबह एक लड़का अटेंड किया ना, वो वीडियो भी ला रहा है.
Okay, okay, sir.
He has studied in IIT.
Okay, okay. That's great, sir.
IIT Roorkee.
Okay, okay.
So, best wishes. You are doing well, no problem. Anytime you feel like talking to me, possibly today is 20, maybe once more we can talk one of these days. Somewhere around 29, 30.
Okay, sir. It will be beneficial for me, sir. And
Just
I will
call
be
me. I will ask some relevant, irrelevant questions so that you can try to understand different type of questions.
Okay, sir.
Invariably, I found in your CIL interview, they don't spend more time, maximum 10 minutes or so.
Yes, sir. I also visited some of the groups.
Yeah.
And the students are telling the same thing, that maximum 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes, not even 10 minutes. And
Okay.
5 to 7 questions only they are asking.
Okay.
Something related to your subject, something related to personality and all that. So if you by chance are getting some questions that they have asked in the interviews,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
kindly send it to me through email.
Okay, sir.
कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके भेज दीजिए बस.
Okay, sir.
इसके लिए सेपरेटली अब टाइप करने का जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
किसी भी फील्ड होने से उससे जो क्वेश्चंस आपको ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में मिलता है उसको कॉपी करके हमको भेज दीजिए.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will definitely forward it to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.